Before we get into learning how to pour your resin and how to layer them over your flowers, I'm going to show you a video that I had created about a piece that I was so excited about. And anyways, I'm going to show you how I learned so many lessons from it. Okay? All right. So this is the result of my very first 3-inch deep 12 by 12 round tabletop that I had attempted. I learned a lot from this piece. First of all, I want you to look at the flowers here. These are not supposed to look like that. I think that the mistake that I made was I poured too much too soon over them, and I went back like every 30 minutes, and I used the heat gun to try to remove some bubbles. And I think that the resin got too hot because I poured too thick of a layer. And so it kind of burned the flowers, which is not good. So they lost their color. And then if you look at that line over there, that's horrible. And then I've got a bunch of little bubbles at the edges. And also what I did was, while it was still in the mold, I poured the tabletop on top of it, which is not a good idea. You really need to remove it from the mold, sand it, and then pour the tabletop without it being in the mold. So if you look over here, there's like some rivulets of resin, which is not good. This is definitely flawed, and I would never sell this to anyone. But however, it was a really good experience for me. See, look at the outer edges here. Not good. Not good at all. I would never ever sell this to anyone. Flowers are pretty over here. Look at how pretty those are. Definitely a learning experience, but that's how you learn, is by doing.